Hello friends. So far we have talked about what 2D shapes are and their properties. We've talked about perimeter and then area of rectangles and parallelograms. So now we're going to talk about the area of triangles. Okay, so this is just taken from that initial worksheet we had that was talking about what the areas are. So for a triangle, the area is 1/2 of the base. So here's our base times the height. Okay? So all you really have to do is take the base times the height and then divide it by 2. Okay? So this first example, let's start by writing our formula. Area equals 1/2 base times height. Then I'm going to fill in what I know. My base is 13. My height is 14. So it's 1/2 of 13 times 14. Thirteen times 14 is 182. So I take 182 divided by 2. Gives me 91. And then remember how when we talk about area, it's like if I have a little grid on here and this was filled with like tiles, it would take 91 tiles, and those are squares, so 91 squares to fill in that triangle. So our units are squares, so inches squared. Okay. And then example 2. So this is a funny kind of slanted triangle, right? Its height is given to us on the outside right here, but I can still use the formula. Another way you might see the formula is the base times the height divided by 2. And that's just the same thing, just another way of writing it. Okay. Fill in what we know. The base is 7. The height is 10. Whatever that is divided by 2. 7 times 10 is 70 divided by 2. 70 divided by 2 is 35. Okay. And we could say it's square centimeters. Okay, if you want to write it out and not use the little square notation, that's how you would write it. Okay, and that's pretty much it. Those are our only examples for right now. So your practice choice, let's fill in what we know. You have 3 of them again. So going back that same list of objects you found around your house, you need to find 5 that are triangles. Okay. Make sure you measure them as best as you can, okay? And you're going to find the area of 5 of those triangles from around your house. So maybe you have like a corner table or something, that would be a triangle. Like if I had a table like that, right? That might be a triangle. So see what you have, okay? And then choice 2, there's options for choice 2. You can either go to our online textbook, Big Ideas, okay, and you're going to find the skill trainer from the menu. Go to grade 6 geometry, finding the angle of triangles. Or we have a worksheet that we did for lesson 3, okay, but it has some other shapes on it. So you're going to complete these problems from that worksheet. And if you click this Google form here, when you go to your document, it'll take you straight to that link, okay, and the problems are on there as well. And then choice 3 is on the next page. Okay, so choice 3 has some instructions. It says cut out this rectangle. I'm going to cut out the outsides. Ooh, that was bad drawing, but that's okay. Okay, then you're going to measure the length and the height. Okay, find the area, and it's going to guide you through some questions, figuring out how do we get that formula for the area of a triangle. Okay, as always, let me know if you have questions, and good luck.